In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jasper AI Story Generator. We'll start right on Jasper's homepage. Open the app and make sure you land on the main dashboard. If you're not there yet, look to the left-hand side and click Home. This brings you to the central place where all the key tools are easiest to access, and it ensures we're beginning from a clean slate before we generate anything. From the home view, look for the prompt area labeled Ask Jasper Anything. This is your gateway to the story generator. Clicking there opens the input field where you'll give Jasper clear instructions. Think of this as your creative brief. The more clear and specific you are, the more focused your story will be. Place your cursor in the prompt box and start typing. You can guide Jasper with details such as genre, tone, and what you want the reader to feel. For this walkthrough, enter the exact prompt. Write a short story about a first-time homebuyer who discovers a hidden feature in their new house. Make it suspenseful and engaging. This gives Jasper a clear character, a setting, a twist to explore, and the mood you're aiming for. If you ever need to tweak results later, you can revise the same prompt by sharpening the tone or adding word count. But for now, we'll keep it as is. Once your prompt is in, click Send, or simply press Enter on your keyboard. Jasper will begin processing your request and drafting a story. Give it a moment. This is where the model pieces together suspense, pacing, and narrative payoff based on your instructions. You should see a coherent draft appear on the screen, tailored to that first-time homebuyer premise with an engaging, mysterious reveal. When Jasper presents options or a preview tied to your prompt, choose Use to move forward with the suggestion. Then click Generate Now. Use confirms the direction you've just requested, and Generate Now tells Jasper to produce the full story based on that exact setup. In a few seconds, you'll have a complete short story grounded in the suspenseful tone you asked for, with a clear beginning, a rising sense of mystery, and a satisfying reveal tied to the hidden feature in the house. That's the full process, start to finish. Go to Jasper's home, open Ask Jasper Anything, type the prompt, send it, then choose Use and click Generate Now. Follow these steps each time you want fresh, on-brief fiction, and you'll consistently get engaging stories tailored to your creative direction.